Before we start going to the color page and doing color corrections, working with nodes and effects, I would like you to create a timeline with the color correction clips that you have downloaded from the previous lecture. So please go to your media page, navigate to where you have unzipped the color correction folder, click on it and drop it in the media files. Now make the icon a bit bigger, and this is what I would like you to do. There is a guy here weaving, so select this clip and then press Ctrl, select the next clip. You can see the guy, and another one, and right click and say create new timeline using these clips. And here we're gonna call it color correction. And you click create. Then double click on it, and of course it will open in your media page where you can come over and adjust it. And then I will zoom in. Then I would like you to select the other three clips, click and drag and drop them in the timeline. Just make a difference a bit because we want to work on them. Now that we have set our timeline, I would like you to click on your color page, and this is the default color page. If yours is not looking like this, come to workspace and you can reset the UI, okay, and then go back and select full screen. Here you are. So we're on, and in the next lecture we are going to start with the color page. I will explain to you all the ins and outs.